capture all my vlogging kits and my vlogging tools. Let me show it to you one by one. I'm gonna start with the ring light. So this is my ring light. This ring light is a 360-degree ball head. So you can rotate it. Okay. Let me put it back because I'm already twisting the wire. So they call it the bicolor ring light because there's a control button at the back. You can adjust the light whether you want more brighter or more dimmer light. It is also adjustable. You can adjust the height. Just twist it and put it on whatever height you want. And you can also put your cell phone here. Let me show it to you. I'll just put my cell phone like this. And you can also flip it. Alright, so let's move forward with the camera and the tripod. And this is the camera that I usually use for the videos. This is the tripod. I also have another tripod for this camera, but I am currently using it right now. This camera is the Fujifilm Xt4. I really love this camera. I usually use this camera for all the videos that I make, especially for the videos that I upload in YouTube. And this camera is the Fujifilm Xt20. I use this camera for taking pictures. I'm currently using the Xt4 now for this vlog, but since I use this camera for taking a picture, this is the Xt20 from Fujifilm. It has a built-in flash, though I still use this one. This is the TTL external flash or the speed light because the Xt4 doesn't have a built-in flash. So I just attach it like this. Right. Let me lock it. It also has a control button at the back. Here you go. And you just connect it like this. So I'm gonna show you the flash later on. But with this camera, like what I mentioned, I also have another attachment, which is the microphone. So I use this microphone for each and every vlog that I make, and this is how it works. So I'll just connect it here, lock it, and then put it over here. Alright, so this is how it works. I don't use this microphone on this camera because it doesn't fit. This is the microphone for the Fujifilm Xt4. I actually have another microphone, which is the one that I'm using right now. But this microphone is also from Rode. Rode microphones are very good. I like the quality. It filters the sound. It also has this windshield, and it sounds rich and full. This GoPro serves as a backup camera, and I usually use it for time-lapse. I currently use these laptops for video editing. I also have the headphones and the external hard drive. So I really need the external hard drive because sometimes I used to save all the videos that I took from the camera and save it here just to have a backup file. Here you go. There's also an adjust button at the back, but we usually use it for taking picture. So I'm gonna flash it. For the future vloggers, I hope you find everything that you need on this video, and I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.